Hi parents, thanks for taking the time to view this short video talking about St. Paul School. Some of you might already have your children enrolled in St. Paul. Some of you might be thinking about enrolling your children in St. Paul. We value, and will do it if at all possible, having in-person instruction 5 days a week. Now, obviously, safety of students is paramount, but if it's possible, we'll have in-person instruction of the students. One of the things that allows us to have more confidence that we're able to do this in a safe way is St. Paul School is a pre-K through 6th grade, which we have about 100 students. And we occupy a building that was built to accommodate kindergarten through 12th grade for 3 to 4 times as many students as we have. Now, normally we feel like we have way too much space, but in fact, with the pandemic, we feel like that this abundance of space and relatively small class sizes between 10 and 20 allows us to have social distancing in large classrooms in a way that is maximally safe for the students and for the teachers. So parents, if you have your children enrolled at St. Paul School, I look forward to seeing you. I visit and teach in the classrooms once a week, even starting with pre-K for the first time this year. If you're thinking about enrolling your child in St. Paul School, know that it's not too late. We still have spots open and there's still scholarship money available.